everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete messages on Tinder. So for that you must first own Tinder app and you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder account. So once you tap on your Tinder application, you'll reach the home page. So now you'll have to go and tap on the message icon at the bottom. So once you tap on the message icon, you'll reach this page. Here you can see messages. So you have to go and tap on the message that you want to delete. And once you tap on the message, you reach this page. So you cannot individually delete the message. So you have to go and tap on the badge icon at the top right and tap on unmatched from the person. So once you tap on the unmatched from the person, the message will be removed. The message automatically deletes when you unmatch the person, and the person also gets removed from the chat list once you unmatch the person. So here you can see the name of the person who messaged you or who you were messaging deleted. So that is how you can remove the message on Tinder account. So that is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for joining in.